Welcome to Deepak's FabLabShow featuring my co-host Chip and me, Pradeep.
Are you ready? Woo! Chip, shall we begin?
Yes, please, let's begin. It is much stronger than this.
Should we test that out? Yes! Give Rice a round of applause. That is 8 kilos! It's 13.5 kilos. More?
You need a child to lift.
Let's see the science behind rice friction.
When the stick is inserted into the bottle, it pushes the rice tighter together, forcing out the air. The even more tightly packed rice presses against the stick and causes friction between the stick and the rice. This friction is very strong and allows us to pick up the bottle.
Imagine so much effort.
Ha 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 ha. Very strong.
That's over 800 kilos. And this is just on the pages of a book.
Wait, there's much more.
Okay. What much more? Excellent.
Dragon's legs.
Alright, let's go.
My favorite thing was the bicycle.
So which was your favorite experiment of the Fab Lab show?
The bubble one. The smoke rings as well. Oh, also for me, smoke rings.
I guess a revenge is in order. Have your fun, human.
Thank you so much for being here on this lovely morning.
You enjoy the Fab Lab show?
Yeah, that was super. It was very enjoyable. The kids had fun. We had fun. The end was very good when they, all the
The smoke ring.
smoke, yeah, the kids were involved.